Understanding Restless Until Dawn, a guide to idiomatic English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, restless until dawn, and how you can use it to enhance your English speaking and writing skills. Let's get started. The phrase, restless until dawn, is a vivid expression that combines two key words, restless and dawn. To understand this phrase fully, we need to look at each word individually. Restless refers to a state of discomfort or the inability to stay still or at peace. It often implies a sense of agitation or unease. Dawn is the time of day when light first appears in the sky before sunrise, marking the beginning of a new day. When combined, restless until dawn describes a situation or feeling where someone is unable to find peace or comfort throughout the night, until the early morning light appears. This phrase is commonly used to depict a scenario where a person is experiencing a high level of anxiety, worry, or excitement, preventing them from sleeping. It paints a picture of someone tossing and turning in bed, their mind racing with thoughts until the early hours of the morning. Examples of usage might include, after the argument, she was restless until dawn, replaying the conversation over and over in her head. The night before the big exam, he was restless until dawn, worrying about the questions he would face. Understanding and using idiomatic expressions like restless until dawn can significantly enrich your English. It allows you to convey complex emotions and states of mind in a nuanced and relatable way. This phrase, in particular, is a powerful tool for storytelling, enabling you to describe a character's inner turmoil or anticipation vividly. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, restless until dawn. Idiomatic expressions like this one are key to mastering the English language, allowing you to express yourself more vividly and understand others better. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your conversations or writings. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.